Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Colazo. So today for math, we're going to be learning about addition, but today we're going to focus on word problems, okay? So yesterday, you did an assignment that had this kind of addition problems that they only have the equation in it, but today we're going to focus on word problems. And word problems are just sentences put together, and then we have to read them to solve the problem, okay? So some addition clue words that you have to look for when you have a word problem are the following, okay? So how many in all? Join, more, add, all together, total. Whenever you see any of these words in a word problem, that means that you have to do addition, okay? Also, remember that when you are doing addition, your number gets bigger, it never gets smaller. Now, when you have a word problem, you have to solve the problem by following steps. The first step is to read the problem. Maybe you want to read it twice just to make sure that you understand the problem. Then you want to circle the numbers that you see in the problem. And then you want to underline keywords. Those are the words that we just talked about, like join, how many in all. And then the last step is to solve the problem. So now we're going to solve some problems together and I'm going to read them to you and we're going to work them out. Okay. So John sees two alligators in the grass. He sees six more in the pond. How many alligators does John see in all? So my first step is to read the problem, which I already did. My second step is to circle the numbers that I see in my word problem. So I'm going to circle the numbers that I see, and right here I'm seeing number 2, so I'm going to circle that number. And then over here I have number 6, so I'm going to circle that number as well. And then my third step is to look for any keywords that tells me that I have to do addition. And right here, I see how many in all. Remember, how many in all is a clue word that tells me that I have to do addition. So I'm going to be doing addition. And then right here, I'm going to put the first number that I circle, that will be 2, plus the second number that I circle, that will be number 6 here. So what is 2 plus 6? Well, I can make little drawings. So I'm going to make circles. Right here, I have to make 2. So 1, 2. And then I have to do 6 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I have to count them all together to find the answer to my problem. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer to this problem is 8. So John saw 8 alligators in all. So he saw 8 alligators, okay? Let's do one more problem together. So right here it says Lance has 6 pencils. He gets 4 more pencils. How many pencils does he has now? My first step again is to read the problem, which I already did. My second step is to circle the numbers that I see in the word problem. So I'm going to do that right now. So right here at the very beginning, I see number 6. So I'm going to circle that. And then over here, I see number 4. So I'm going to circle that number 2. And then I'm going to look for clue words that tells me that I have to do addition. And I see the words how many he has now. So I need to do addition to see how many pencils does he has now. So I'm going to put addition right here in the middle. And then right here, I'm going to put the first number that I circle, and that will be 6. 6 plus the second number that I circled, that will be 4. What is 6 plus 4? Well, I'm going to make a little drawing on the bottom here to help me solve this problem. So right here, I have to make 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then over here, I have to make 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have to count them all together to find my answer. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So my answer to this problem is 10. So he has 10 pencils now. Okay. So remember that when you have a word problem, the first step is to read the problem. You want to read it maybe 2 times. just to make sure that you understand it. The second step is to circle the numbers that you see in the word problem. The third step is to find keywords that tells you that you have to do addition, and then you just solve the problem.